Hi everyone, my name is Gabby and welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. Today we are doing a continuation of my Lady Villains set that I did, and it's 4 Lady Villains, and they are from the Fairly Odd Parents Danny Phantom universe, and I'm just doing them one by one. So today we are doing Ember Mclain, and she is from Danny Phantom. She's the girl who plays the guitar, and so we're gonna do her today. It's gonna be really cute, and look forward to seeing the rest of the ladies, and then videos coming up. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so like I said, this is the second installment. So this was her. She was first. I believe his name is Michael. Mclain, that's what it is. His ex-wife from Fairly Odd Parents we did on the first nail. And now we are moving on to Ember Mclain. And she's from Danny Phantom. And the background color I'm using is Platinum Card by Ballpit for the background. And now we are color blocking. I kind of did her like color blocking and sketching because this was a struggle bus, I gotta say. We went back and forth a lot with this character for some reason. I don't know what it was. Maybe I got overly confident with my first character, but I don't know why it was such a struggle. But so anyway, we are doing a little bit of color blocking, a little bit of sketching together just to make sure the placement's good, because actually before this I had already done this, but I didn't like where it was placed, so I erased the whole nail and started over. So that's why I'm doing a little bit of sketching this time, just to be a little bit more accurate in what I want. And we are just starting to fill it in. I'm using my Little Miss 9mm brush to do this, and this isn't white, by the way. It's just a cool toned, a little bit off white, so it looks like white, but it's not really white. It's like a little bluier than a regular white. So let me have you just watch me color block for a minute, and then I'll jump in when I get a little bit further in. Okay, so we're a little further along in the color blocking and we moved on to the guitar. I finally got to use my grape snow cone from the summer collection. I don't use that color very often, but I've been trying to use it a little bit more, so I'm happy that we got to use it for the guitar. And that was the Hot Girl Summer Collection by Ballpit. Pretty much all the products I'm using are from Ballpit. So if you do want 10% off, use code ORBIT and you can get save a little money. So we're gonna keep going in with these colors and color blocking some more. Honestly, that's really all it is for this. Oh, I forgot the other character's name. I keep forgetting her name, but her name is Princess Mandai. And yeah, she was Mike Chang's ex-wife. And then Ember Mclain. Let's look up Ember Mclain since I'm waiting to get to the line work here. Let me see her description. Ember was an unpopular high school girl who strongly dreamed of one day becoming a rock star. One day, a boy asked her out to the movies. She waited all night for him to show up, saying he was running late. When morning came and he still didn't show up, Ember gave up on waiting and went home. She was so exhausted she fell asleep and didn't wake up when her house mysteriously caught on fire. She died in the flames, which possibly gave her the name Ember, and her song You Will Remember is possibly based on the events prior to her death. That's her description. That's so sad. I did not realize that was her description, but yes, I can see why she's a villain. Let me know if you knew that description of her, because I had no idea. I have not seen this show in a long time. But yeah, so let's continue. All right, so we've made it to the line work, and now I'm just filling out all the line work, getting it all done, bringing the character to life. I loved this set so much. I'm gonna do the next villainess next week, but when I have them all done, like, oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite sets that I've ever done. And I wanted to do them all separately because they're all separate characters, so it just made this set last longer. We can just keep going back to it for a few weeks. But yeah, so we'll do one character at a time. And yeah, this was just one of my favorite sets. I think also because lipstick is like my favorite nail shade, I think. I have stilettos on right now, but I either want my nubs or I want lipstick back, because looking at this set is just so stunning. If you guys haven't tried lipstick, try it. It's honestly, it's the best shape. I think for me personally, it's the best shape on me. So I absolutely love it. And I can't remember what colors I did for her hair, but I needed to make it neon. You know what? I think the base was Peace and Love. And then I did a little bit of this D&D sky blue color. And then I'm pretty sure for the neon, I put in Slime Time from the Halloween collection, because I do use Slime Time a lot to make the neon, and her hair is pretty neon. So it was a mixture of something like that to get it as bright as possible. So now, see, you can see her skin tone is slightly not white as I put these eyeballs on here. But yeah, so I just kind of put the eyes on there, which you can barely see, but I can see it. So I put it on there, and then I start moving on to the eyes. And you guys will see she has quite the eyeliner in this set, and I definitely had to redo it, which I'll show you guys in a second. But this is good because you guys can see me do it really big, and then I have to erase them and make them smaller because her mouth doesn't fit. But anyway, so you can see it. She has this thick eyeliner, and then she has this tiny little twirl under her eye. And I'm using my fun size brush because it's a 4mm and it is very, very tiny. It helps me with tiny stuff like that. But you'll see coming up when I finish the other eye, like the eyes suddenly get really small. So that was just me having to redo it. But it was the same thing, just smaller. So I didn't refilm it for you guys. So you can see here, I tried to extend the head a little bit when I was painting it white to see if I have enough room for the mouth. And then I just decided I do not. So that's when I think at that point I had to paint over the eyes because it was too late and the eyes were just way too big to make it work. So yeah, you can see like it just jumped and now the eyes are so much smaller. But yeah, it looks a lot better and it was worth the extra steps that I had to do. But yeah, I just put the eye color in there, cleaned things a little bit up. I just had to go through with that her skin tone a few more times on some spots, because you can, like, usually I try like to make sure I'm not making a mistake before I cure it. But if you do already cure it, you can paint over it. Just might be a few layers, but you can definitely paint over it. If it gets like thick and bumpy in some areas, when you put that top coat on it, you cannot tell. So if you need to go back and fix stuff, it's totally fine. And now we're all done with Ember Mclain. We are putting our top coat on, our glossy top coat. See, it smooths out instantly. So it's looking beautiful. Again, I love this freaking shape. And these two ladies done, Princess Mandai and Ember Mclain, all done. And we will move on to our third lady next week. And then our very last lady the week after that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.